Jeff. Hey Jeff.
What's up?
It's too early. 7:55 and we are on our way to go dyno test Jeff's car because it's apparently a stage 3. Am I right?
Yep.
That's freaking ridiculous. What all you do to your car?
I got the intake, exhaust, intercooler, downpipe, intake manifold spacer. What else? I got a Boomba ball valve. I got Stage 3 through Cobb, and then I got a custom tune by Freektune.
Word?
Then yeah.
What's that tune supposed to be pushing?
Well, I don't know. That's why we're on our way to get a dyno to see what we are pushing.
That's a good point. Alright, cool man. It sounds like you're going through puddles, but that's just the blow-off valve.
Yeah.
You're putting some damn gas in this bad boy so we can actually pull on the dyno. Oh yeah, we have decals. They're available. zturnerdesigns.com/shop. Details in the description below. It really helps out the channel. Make sure to pick one up so you can be super duper awesome like everyone in Mill's Garage and Jeff. He's in Mill's Garage too. Cool, man. What is that, version 3?
V3.
V3 Cobb. Word. You got your gauges? I didn't even see that before. How many? What PSI is this running at?
The most I've got was 25.6 pounds of boost.
That's a ton of boost, dude.
Yeah. On the stock turbo.
On the stock turbo. I think we're in the right place.
Yeah.
Yeah. This looks like a place for a good car. Yeah. Stage 3. Yeah. How'd it do?
Good.
Didn't blow up. That's good.
Pretty consistent. These cars are super consistent. So power was like 264, 250, you know, right around 260 respectively. And then torque was 366 to 372 between the three runs. This one, that was the last one, was probably the hotter run that I just did. Okay. So these were all in fourth gear. And that's it.
All right.
All right.
Very
so
cool.
I get you this printout, and then We'll get you broken down, get you.
All right,
ready to
okay.
go. All right.
All right, so we got the dyno printout right here from RT Tuning. Dyno Jet Research. What are we looking at?
Well, I was a little disappointed on the horsepower.
Disappointed.
It only made top 264 horsepower.
264?
Yeah.
Huh.
But the most torque it made was 372 pounds
Dude,
of torque.
holy. Who needs tires?
And that was on a dyno jet.
Yo, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Jeff seems sad about that, but
Just the horsepower. I wasn't expecting it that low.
I think that that's a decent amount of horsepower, especially on a front wheel drive car. Yeah, I had a Speed 3. I can tell you that's a fucking lot. Yo, so that was the dyno of Jeff's ST. And if you made it this far, guess what? You like the videos, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure you subscribe and share with all of your friends. We'll be back next week working on either the G35 or I actually heard that Tyler over at Delaware VQs totaled his G35. So I'm gonna be helping him out with that. Maybe that'll be the next video. We'll see, but we'll be back.
All right.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video, and we'll see you next time.